Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Irwin number 63108. This is a cobalt, high-speed steel, fractional, straight shank, jobber's length, 1/8" drill bit is what this is. This is a very common, typical, probably the most common size 1/8". The confluence of it being both common size, cobalt, and 135-degree point makes this a formidable drill bit when you are dealing with tough metal drilling, including heavy-duty abrasive alloys, or drilling on hardened or heat-treated steel. Shorter cutting lips reduce torque for drilling in high tensile strength materials. Heavy-duty spiral flute design produces faster chip ejection and constructed of M35, 5% cobalt, high-speed steel for super abrasive resistance in tough metals. Now, if I'm drilling holes in stainless, which I don't hardly ever do, I do find greater success with a cobalt bit. Really where I find greater success is a 135-degree point. Now what that means is that it's a flatter point compared to like 118-degree. What that allows me to do is to drill into a piece, especially if it's a little bit thicker. Because that 135-degree is flatter, I've actually drilled more material out in terms of the entire thickness of the material when the drill bit begins to exit through the piece, and that's where you have the tendency of it seizing on that thicker remaining material. But a flatter point like 135-degree makes that undrilled thickness smaller, that I'm able to easily, gently get through the workpiece without damaging the piece, the operator being harmed by a seizing drill bit. Not so much on an 1/8 of an inch, that bit will just crack, which you don't want to do. But a 1/2 inch sort of size, you could be in a position where it's dangerous to drill. So I prefer the 135-degree chisel point. This is an 1/8 of an inch, 1 5/8 flute length, 2 3/4 overall length in cobalt. There are a couple of links below this video that I'd like to bring to your attention. First is the reference guide, which is literally a metal drilling reference guide that have some nice technical information. Also a cutting speed guide on the last page. There's also a link to the product brochure, which is the metal drilling subsection of the full-line Irwin catalog. You can pull that document up, search for the 63108. You'll find the page where this is located, but more importantly, you'll find all of its immediate sister products. You need 5/16, you'll be able to find that part number easily there, populate that back into the site, and add it to your cart. Sometimes it's easier to look at the manufacturer's catalog for conciseness. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all the Irwin products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the full Irwin product catalog. I'm partial to Irwin, not only because I'm a distributor, but because I use their products personally and can attest to the high performance of much of the product line. If you have any questions on the Irwin 63108, 1/8 of an inch cobalt, 135-degree point, jobber's length, straight shank drill bit, or any other Irwin product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.